WITSON.
Box also here today, just going to show you today's install, which is on a BMW CLS C218. We have them for the NTG 4.5, 7 and 5, and this is our 12.3 inch screen. As you can see, it's a big whopper. You can go for the 10.25 inch if you wish, but the customer's gone for the biggie. So I'm just going to show you a little demonstration on how the system works today and what it's got, how quick and responsive it is. As you can see, this is the NTG menu, which works as normal with the command panel. All you need to do is either press the touchscreen or hold down the back button, and it goes into the Android system here. As you can see, command panel works fine. Look how quick and responsive that is. So you'll get a lot of people coming onto our discussion boards asking if they're laggy and stuff like that. We don't sell laggy systems. Only reason being the ones on the internet tend to be low processors and low RAM. We won't sell anything lesser than the 8-core processor. It's the octa-core system. Most of them have got the Snapdragon processor in now, which is what you find in a lot of smartphones today. And this is our Android 11 system with the Snapdragon 662 processor in there. It's got 464 gig of RAM. So as you can see, it works with the touchscreen, etc. stuff like that. As you can see, you've got your navigation here, which has got Google Maps set up today, but obviously you can download more of any app of choice from the Play Store direct onto there. It's not going to work at the moment because it's got no internet connection. You can put a SIM card in down the side here, which is where my finger goes down, the back here. You can stick a SIM card in there for the 5G, 4G connection, and then you'll have access to this here. Here's your music app. So let's choose one of these. This is one of the system, the built-in apps on there. Work with the steering wheel controls, and also, as you can see, doing this just volume down. So just go back out to there. Here's where you connect your phone to. Quality control check app on there. There's my phone connected to it already. This is the car info, which takes you back to the original NTG menu. As I say, you can hold down the back button or you can just press down, it takes you back into there. Settings, a lot of the back end settings here for the system navigation, sound settings, Android factory settings and stuff like that, in case you need to change anything on there. HD video, as you can see, full HD, big screen there, so that shows on there. You can put your movies or your music on a pen stick and play it through one of the 2 USB cables that the system comes with. Just go back out to there. This phone link, mirror link, is getting phased out now, so we tend not to sell it with this. Only reason being is because the developers of the system are not paying for the license upgrade on this, because they're putting all the money into the CarPlay and Android Auto app. You have this one here, so to put your foot down, as you can see it going up. And this is where your speedometer is. As you can see, it's in MPH. A lot of systems on the market only come with KPH, so pretty much cater for mass market, and we tend to be the ones left out. But this one says MPH here. You can change the screen colour if you wish to different background colours. DVR, it's not a DVR camera installed today. Applications, okay. So there's a couple of little applications that go into. This is where any apps that you download would go into there. You got your Play Store, which is on here. As you see, we're not logged in today. You've also got Google Maps, which I've shown you before, Equalizer. So it's got like adjust the sound output on there. Chrome, which is a browser, feedback, voice search. This one, Liverpool. It is an online app, so basically, as you can see, nothing's connected there, but it did pick up my voice. Google browser here, ADAS, that's an advanced driver's assist support, which works with the DVR camera when you got it installed. GPS test, AS Explorer, File Explorer, MX Play, which is just an app for playing your DVD software and stuff. Said link. This is your CarPlay and Android Auto app. I've got my Apple phone connected to it today, so it's going to show you Apple, not the Android side, but obviously if you've got an Android phone, it shows you there. As you can see, this is my applications which are brought out in there. So there's the DAB app that I can show you today, which is my DAB radio on there too, and also there's my WhatsApp there, but I never really used that one anyway. So if we go back to the car setting here, go back to there, press on the home, and that's pretty much it today, guys.
WITSON.